Hey friends, I'm Chef Wainaina. Today guys, I'm sharing with you this very easy to make crispy curry baked chicken and rice with aromatic coconut and spices that is so easy to make in one pot on any day of the week. Friends, we are going to start by adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into this hot pan. Once the oil is smoking hot, I'm going to add 3 pounds of this chicken that I opened and seasoned with salt and pepper. We want to sear this chicken until it's golden brown and very crispy. So after about 3 minutes with our chicken searing on high heat, I'm going to come in and turn them. And then continue searing them on both sides. Get that beautiful color there. That's what you're looking for. So our chicken is acquiring some nice color here. I'm going to cover this pan and give this chicken a head start so that they start cooking through. Our chicken thighs are beautifully seared here. Time to remove them. Into the same pot, I'm going to add our sliced onion. This is about 2 small red onions. We just want to sweat this. Season with some salt and pepper. Remember, always season as you go. All the browned bits that were left at the bottom of the pan by the chicken, that's all flavor. We need that for our dish. Once the onion has acquired some color, add some ginger and garlic. Give everything a stir. Straight away introduce the spices. That's toasted curry, a tablespoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric, that will give a very beautiful color, and a teaspoon of cumin. I'm also going to add about 3 small bay leaves. Give these spices some toasting. In the meanwhile, I turned my oven to 350. We will finish this dish in the oven. Very aromatic here already. The spices are very fragrant. This is going to give the dish that very beautiful color and very beautiful flavors. Once the spices are slightly toasted, this is 2 cups of basmati rice that I rained through cold water, rinsed it. Give it a few turns in here. You guys by now know how much I love making one-pot dishes. They are quick, they are very convenient, especially if you have a family, or even when you are cooking for yourself and you are doing like meal prep. These are some of the dishes that will hold very well in the fridge. Look at that beautiful rice. So you want to toast this rice just so slightly. Once this basmati is slightly toasted, this is 1 can of coconut milk, about 2 cups of chicken stock. You can definitely use water. Get some cilantro, squeeze in some lemon juice, some salt and pepper, and then now lay the chicken right on top of the rice. All the accumulated juices. Cover the whole pot, transfer into the oven and bake for about half an hour or until the chicken is cooked through and the rice. So friends, there you have it. After baking about half an hour in the oven at 350, our crispy curry baked chicken thighs and rice with coconut. It's all done. Very delicious, very fragrant here. The kitchen smells just so good. Give it a fluff here. Oh, I can't wait to taste this. Garnish this with these toasted cashews. I just finished them in the oven, just like so. Some cilantro. With this pot, you don't need a dish. Just put it on the table and your family or you get to enjoy this. But I just need a small portion for myself. The chicken, the rice. Gonna have to give this dish just a bite here. So delicious. So friends, there you have it. A quick and easy dinner that you can add to your menu rotations. Once you sear the chicken, add the rice, our crispy curry chicken thighs and rice with coconut milk and aromatic spices. A dish that you can serve to your family any day of the week. It's actually a dish that you can just finish on top of the stove. You don't have to put it in the oven, but once it's going, you can just go into the sink, finish up with your cleanup. So thank you so much for watching this one. I can't wait to see you in the next one. I will see you soon.